Day 2 in Berlin, busy day of touristy stuff, sightseeing, probably loads of eating, and it's also Claire's birthday today. She's 30, but don't mention it. So Berlin's a really nice city. Really cold today. And I think we both kind of got caught out yesterday. We didn't have enough layers on, so I'm like the Michelin man today. Claire's got a ton on as well. Ah! Sorry. Yeah, we're not very streetwise here. That's Checkpoint Charlie right there. So we're going to do a bus tour now and we're going to learn a lot more about this part of the world. So far it's been very interesting. Really enjoying Germany. Well done, Berlin.
This is your ticket for 2 days and 2 persons. Route A and Route B. Perfect.
Yeah, put him here, love the
Have you got up here?
Yes. Okay, let's go get food.
Food?
Yeah, I'm happy that food's now.
This looks tasty. Gee whiz, you feel the cold after coming back outside. Right, so we had to make an emergency stop in a body shop there because I have quite possibly the driest hands I've ever seen in my life. And that stuff is the dogs, man, it's so good for it. Tip for you. Right, we're back on the bus, heading back towards the hotel, and we're going to have a pint, then go back to the hotel, start getting ready for dinner tonight, up in the TV tower. Slantavor. Slantavor, Calum. Back to the hotel now to get ourselves ready for a nice dinner at the top of that TV tower. I'm actually going to get some water for the room and maybe a wee packet of crisps to keep us going. Dinner's not till 8 now. We've got a reservation at the top of the TV tower at 8. Claire's heading back to the hotel to get ready. Yeah, it's so cold. The highest temperature today, I think it was 0, and there's going to be a low of -8. I can't remember the last time I was in -8 conditions. Boom!
Oh no.
You hungry?
Yeah.
I'm hungry too. Oh, I've got dirty lens.
I had a wet nose.
Alexi knows.
Yeah.
So this White Russian comes highly recommended, so I hope I'm not disappointed. would definitely go back to the TV tower. It was so cool. Right, that's us back at the hotel. Really, really good scoff at the TV tower. And a good White Russian to boot as well. Gaelic for today is Mach. Mach. That means get out of here. So you would say that to your dog if it ran into the kitchen, or the cat if it, you know, came into the bedroom or whatever. Mach. So the Mach has a good CH. Mach. Really pronounce the CH. Mach. And we'll speak to you tomorrow. Cheers just now. I've yet to apply this cream. This is the only cream that seems to work for my scabby hands. So I'm going to put it on, we're just about to go to bed, and then in the morning I'll show you how much it's worth. In the morning this will have improved dramatically.